After many hours playing, learning, and making videos of many robot toys for kids, we have selected the ones that for us, the Honestips team, are the top 5 for this year, 2019. In this list, you will see real robots, the ones that you can program to move, emit sounds, talk, and interact with you. Best of all, you can get any of them on Amazon for less than $200 US. Number 5. Spiro Bolt. Spiro Bolt is a robot created to become a useful and fun educational tool. As with its predecessor, the Spiro Spark Plus, it also has a transparent shell that allows you to see how this robot works from the inside. But Bolt comes with great improvements over all previous robotic spheres of the brand. One of the main innovations is its programmable 8x8 LED matrix, which can show animations, colors, text, or real-time data. Among its other new characteristics, it also features a magnetometer sensor that serves as a compass and a light sensor that detects light intensity. Number 4. LEGO Boost Creative Toolbox. For the joy of all LEGO fans, the LEGO Boost Creative Toolbox appears on our list once again. Since its launch in 2017, LEGO Boost has been a success in getting children interested in robotics and programming in an environment they are familiar with. In addition to the 5 robots that can be assembled with the 840 pieces, motors, sensors, and the Move Hub that comes in this set, LEGO has recently released 2 other sets, one from Ninjago and the other from LEGO City, which are compatible with the LEGO Boost, to be able to expand the options of building and programming with the app. Number 3. Cody Rock. A cute and powerful robot at the same time, Cody Rock surprised us for the great things you can do and learn with it. As soon as you take it out of its box, Cody Rock is ready to play with you. This robotic toy for children is from the Chinese brand MakeBlock, which already has a lot of experience in developing robot toys with cutting-edge technology. With Cody Rock, children can learn to program with Scratch, and for those looking for new challenges, with the MBlock 5 software, they will be able to learn Python, one of the most used text-based programming languages. Number 2. Q. Q is the latest robot toy presented by Wonder Workshop. This robot has different and very funny personalities that you can assign to it. Q is able to chat with you and interact with its environment, thanks to its proximity sensors, sound sensors, and infrared transmitters and receivers. It can also interact with the other robots of the brand, Dash and Dot. Besides its main app, Q by Wonder Workshop, you can program it with other tools from both Microsoft and Apple, making it a very versatile robot toy for education. Number 1. Cosmo. Since its launch in 2016, Cosmo has been one of the most beloved robot toys for people of all ages, which is why it is in first place on our list for the 3rd year in a row. Besides advanced technology, its charming and captivating personality is the secret weapon that enables this small robot to interact with anyone, almost as if it were a pet. One of the main features that keeps Cosmo trendy is that both the robot toy and the app are continuously updated, allowing children, teens, and even adults to discover games, animations, and surprises that Cosmo has under its sleeve, or better said, under its forklift arms.